Hello, my fellow creators, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I decided I was gonna use up what's left of this beautiful pattern paper. Now, I used this Salon pattern paper from Echo Park to make an album for a Christmas gift for my daughter-in-law. And here are the scraps of what I have left, including the different cardstocks I used in the album. So I thought, let me finish up these scraps so I can be done with that paper pack and move on to something else. So I'm just going to play a little bit of music as I go through my scraps and put together a few cards. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And before I get started putting the cards together, there are a few papers that I pulled in from another Echo Park paper pack. There were one or two, for example, this one that I pulled in from this Rustic Elegance paper pack. It is by Cartabella. And then I pulled in this one from this Be Mine paper from Echo Park as well. I was short a few pages for my album, so I pulled in those papers that semi-coordinated with the Salon paper. All right, back to putting my cards together. All right, my friends, I have used up all the scraps but these few pieces here, and then this is, you know, the little cut-offs and trash. So I think I did fairly well finishing off that paper. And here's a look at the cards I was able to make. I'm gonna leave them blank without a sentiment, and that way I can either die cut a sentiment or print one on maybe a scallop circle of some sort, or I don't know, something else to add to there. But we can use these, you know, for a just saying hello card, a happy birthday card, a thinking of you card, you know, something just to brighten someone's day. So I was able to make 5 landscape versions and 6 portrait versions of cards using up scraps from this beautiful paper pad. And again, it was the Salon paper pad by Echo Park Paper Company. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye!